I don't know about you, but I like in Windows to just be able to get my mouse without looking into the left bottom corner and click and open a start menu. You can't do that in Windows 11 by default, but it's very easy to change. Keep watching to find out how. Hi, I'm Justin from Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications if you don't want to miss more Random Tech videos. With that out of the way, let me just show you how you can left align the taskbar in Windows 11. If you have Windows 11 or are familiar with Windows 11, you probably know that the taskbar by default is in the center, with the start menu also in the center. So you can see that right here. But if you want to change it, good news, it's very simple to change. All you have to do is first just right click anywhere on the taskbar, not on a button. Click Taskbar Settings, go to where it says Taskbar, and then under Taskbar Behaviors, Taskbar Alignment, just click on Center and then say Left. And now, as you can see, the taskbar is left aligned just like it is in any previous version of Windows. So it's that easy to change the taskbar alignment in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving this video a like. You can also consider subscribing. I make videos about PC hardware and software and stuff like that. Until my next video, thank you for watching and goodbye.